Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare whey protein versus other protein sources. Protein is a vital macronutrient, crucial for building and repairing tissues throughout your body. It plays a key role in creating enzymes and hormones, which are essential for many bodily functions. You can find protein in a wide variety of foods, from lean meats and dairy to plant-based options like legumes and nuts. Understanding its importance is the first step to optimizing your diet. Whey protein is a popular supplement derived from milk during the cheesemaking process. It's considered a complete protein, meaning it provides all 9 essential amino acids your body needs, but cannot produce on its own. One of its main advantages is its rapid digestion and absorption, making it an excellent choice for muscle recovery immediately after exercise. This quick delivery of amino acids helps kickstart the repair process. Beyond whey, many other protein sources offer unique benefits. Casein, also from milk, digests much slower, providing a steady stream of amino acids over several hours, which is great before bed. Plant-based proteins, like pea or soy, are excellent for those avoiding dairy and often come with added fiber and nutrients. Egg protein is another fantastic option, known for its high biological value and versatility in cooking. When choosing the best protein, consider your individual dietary needs and fitness goals. If rapid muscle recovery after intense workouts is your priority, whey protein is often the top choice due to its fast absorption. However, for sustained release or plant-based diets, other options might be more suitable. Remember, a balanced diet with various protein sources is always beneficial. Also, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.